Welcome to day one. Officially, this is your first day of the 7-day digestive reset. And I wanted to show you how, this can fit into your daily life if you're busy also. I've been teaching yoga this morning. I finished my eating window last night. It wasn't 5, it was 6, 6:15 I finished. So 10:15, I'm breaking my fast. This morning I woke up, I had matcha first thing, and then at around 9 o'clock, I was pretty hungry. I had another matcha, and now I'm having my golden renewal protein. So I am mixing this with almond milk, and I know this isn't the organic one, but that's just what I have right now. So you can just mix it with water, or I am adding almond, more protein too. I've been working out this morning also. So make this suit your lifestyle. And if you've had a hard time with that matcha, I've just been speaking to somebody who thought matcha is a little bit intense. Maybe it's something that you haven't had before. I'm half Japanese. My father was Japanese, so I've been drinking matcha a long time. But if you're new to it, just ease in. Give anything a try, right? You're just giving it a try. It's new for your gut. It's new for your taste buds. Just stick with it though. It's like a gym program. You can't just try it once and give up, right? You've got to push through a little bit. So I am putting some almond milk. I could add a little bit of water to that too, because that's going to be quite thick. But I'm hungry. Hot yoga class. Massage chair, business meeting on the massage chair, and then a little bit of resistance training, and now I'm ready to eat. So really important. I just love this digestive reset program, and I've done quite a few over my years. I love this because in the past I haven't added the protein, and what I was probably doing was autophagy, the process of eating up yourself, which is what we want to do on these fasts, intermittent fasting, but not at the sacrifice of lean muscle. Worked hard for lean muscle, especially when you're over 50. I'm 52. It doesn't come that easy, or it doesn't come as easy as it used to be. So I am not interested in eating up my muscle. I'm interested in building lean muscle mass. And so what I'm going to do later today, which I'm not into the measurements for measurements' sake. However, I will take some measurements, my waist, just for a reduction of inflammation. And I'm thinking it'll be around liver, kidney, and that kind of the back fat that we often feel, or we can feel, especially after 50. So take a measurement if you wish and just record it. If we don't measure ourselves, we don't know sometimes how far we've come. So it's not to beat yourself up, but it is just to give you a baseline. So I would add a little bit more water to that, but I'm just going to indulge in a little bit more almond milk. So 24 grams of protein in the powder, which is a good hit. Plus, I'm not sure what this says, but I'm adding that also. Protein. Keep our lean muscle mass, keep strong as we lose what we don't want. We want to keep the muscles. I have a bit of inflammation in my joints, and that's why one of my primary aims of doing this is to reduce inflammation. So turmeric, wonderful, amazing, golden herb, queen of the herbs. There's a video on my YouTube channel digging up turmeric from my organic garden when I was a market gardener. Turmeric, amazing, added to everything. Arvon made it simple for you. It's added to the shake for you. So I've never tried this before. So let's give it a go. Cheers. That's good. Tastes like the vanilla pea protein a little bit, and then the turmeric. I love turmeric. I put turmeric in everything. Turmeric lattes, golden milk. That's good. Awesome. I'm going to keep having that, and then go home, make a nice lunch. My husband's doing this also. Dom is doing this with me. So we're going to have a nice lunch together. Lots of veggies, some lean protein, some chicken from last night. Continue to eat well, drink plenty of water, have a nice dinner, aim to finish 6 o'clock, take my biotic stick, and that's my window, 6 till 10. So go well, everyone. You can do it and enjoy the benefits and just notice. It's a process of self-reflection and personal growth. So well done, and I'll check in with you tomorrow. I had some of my smoothie at the gym that you last saw, and driving home, it was quite thick, and it's winter here, so I thought it would be a really, really nice golden milk, and I mentioned that in that last clip. Golden milk is an Ayurvedic drink, and so I've taken the same almond milk. I just didn't finish the whole smoothie, warmed it up, and then I'm going to enjoy that warm. So this is an ancient recipe, and I just love turmeric milk. I've also noticed it's got a bit of a kick to it, a bit of a spice to it. Maybe it's the cinnamon, and enjoy the spice. Whether it's summer or winter where you are, have the drink warm if it is in the winter, but in the summer, enjoy it cooler. That's fine. So I just wanted to show that you can add this, warm it up to make a nice spicy turmeric milk. Benefit of this Arbonne cleanse is that they've added slippery elm to this, which, if you've not heard that before, is plant medicine that is used for helping detoxify the liver. And on that note, I'd like you to, if you would like, to take measurements of yourself for the before and after. And particularly taking a measurement around the nipple line, because that gets into measuring your back. And often we can hold a lot of extra weight at our back. And I know Dr. Libby has told me about that is a sign that the liver needs detoxifying if you're carrying weight around your back. So just wanted to mention that, and also to reflect on your 3 B's. So your buzz, how is your energy today? That includes how was your sleep. Your bowel, how have your bowels been? And also your bloating, how is your bloat? So comment or just journal on those things. On that note of bowel, do make sure you're including lots of fiber in your diet to not only improve the biome, but also to not be constipated. Okay, enjoy day 1.